G'day gang, let's make some dips, dressings and sauces with sour cream. To get started, into a bowl add half a cup of sour cream, the juice of half a lemon, a pinch of salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Then you can just raid your herb drawer and chuck in really whatever you like. Here I'm going with some sweet paprika and chili flakes. And just like that, you've made a very simple but pleasing sour cream dip. But what if you wanted a bold dip for buffalo wings? Into a bowl, add 1 cup of blue cheese and make sure this is a crumbly blue cheese, steer clear of the creamy stuff.
And you want to crumble it so that the largest pieces are no bigger than a marble.
Half a cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of mayo, 1 tablespoon of buttermilk, and in a pinch, regular milk is absolutely fine, a good pinch of salt, and a good pinch of freshly ground black pepper. And there you have a super bold blue cheese dip. Now what's the difference between this dip and a blue cheese dressing? Keep adding the tablespoon of buttermilk. Each one you add, give it a stir, check the consistency, and stop when you've hit your desired salad dressing consistency. But Jackson, I don't like blue cheese dip with my buffalo wings. I prefer ranch. Wow, you're wrong, but here you go. 3/4 cup of sour cream, 3/4 cup of mayo, the juice of half a lemon, 1 clove of crushed garlic, half a teaspoon of dried parsley and dried chives, half a teaspoon of onion powder, a pinch of salt, and some freshly ground black pepper. And there you have it, ranch dip. And same as before, you can add some buttermilk or milk to thin this out if you want a dressing. But what about sour cream and onion? Can I make that with sour cream? Yes, we'll chop 4 scallions and pop them in a bowl, 1 crushed clove of garlic, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of celery salt, and 1 cup of sour cream. Mix this well to combine, and of all of the dressing, sauces, dips that we've made so far, this one benefits the most from being left in the fridge. It's delicious straight away, but the next day it is something else. Now you may ask, Jackson, you're so handsome, can I use sour cream for a pan sauce? Thank you very much, and yes you can. Here I've cooked 2 chicken thighs in a pan and I've got some fond on the bottom. I'll deglaze over a low heat with half a shallot. Then I'll add some crushed garlic and leave that for around 30 seconds. Then I'll come in with some sour cream and keep all that moving before adding the juice and zest of half a lime. Then add whatever fresh herbs you've got around. I had some parsley, so in that goes. And if this needs thinning, it is as simple as adding a small amount of water, about a teaspoon worth at a time. Then this gets poured over the top of your chicken, and look at that. So there you have it. 1, 2, 3, 4 dips that can be easily turned into dressings, and 1 pan sauce, all thanks to the awesome power of sour cream. Yum. Thank you very much for watching, I do appreciate it. Bye.